National media sin report taunarapki matungina Manipur gi Home Minister oiriba ke Gobidas Konthojamna phongdore haiba wapam gi matungina Haojik phawgi oina Tronglaobi gi bomb blast senabani haiba NIA National Investigation Agency gi probing gi matungina Haojik phawbada senaramgani haina thajaba UKNA gi haibri Meetei-kuki National Army gi suspected cadre manga phabangamne hari Manipur the minister sin phongdokhibagi matung inadi makhatana investigation sathri have wapam yauna phongdokhi Tezpur University Manipuri fraternity ni sinduna ngasi April ki tang 13 English singani ga kunga tarukta candlelight condolence pangthokri Laibak thiba thawdok ti April 3 amasum 8 laikhidraba singi maphamda nongaitaba utpaga loinana akaknaba matamgi manungda justice piraknaba sarkar gi maikei thamlakli Tezpur University Manipuri Fraternity Assam
Nahan Manipur da maruina Tronglaobi da thokiba laibak thiba Taudoksigi Matungda, Akoi Honorable Chief Minister gi Banglo the all political party gi meeting tore koiju invite tarokna koiju dum suggestion tawbayaba haibayaba tawbayaba Manipur gi leiriba hujik leiriba situation sidaida akoi suggestion khara tawjarame adubu chatharaiba Manipur gi train tawriba CRPF na direct eta kapaga mi anihum sibak adu thodok sidi mayam nasu hena tabira mani press ki sinau singnasu baro matung pung amagi daida nongalam daida haiba tare thokpa thodok ni adu orgadi CRPM na kapi ba nongmai sina pung baro matung da haiba tare adu di huge gap pung tara hena lei hre gap se masidai da karigino state forcing se either it may be Bishnupur district gi wero or even Imphal East West Hawanagi Bhova Laaga Punkhayama Pungama Sangadaba Natieba State Force Rest of Shalaga Madudida Moina Latisar Stobani Kangde Water Cannon Sinamani Kangde Tiage Shell Sinamani Kangde Tauraga Innocent Life Me Ahuma Mashu CRPM Captain Hat Kribase Mashisu Lina Dum Kalambaya Bani Adu karigino aduga CRPF na moi karigumba upai leitadana kapa khopa tawta so ahan bada moi ju sumsoi soidana crowd dispersed onana bi upai di lerumgani ba moi du su tear gas shell ni khangde water cannon mak leitraga su lathi charge tawbani khangde amani khangde tawrumgani aduga naknari ba Bishnupur ki Imphal East West even Thauban bhoba Chursanpur du di lapu lakhre adu dai da pau pidana even kapagasu karigino blank pair hana tawdaba karigino adu kapasu makhong da kaida kaptadana direct kapasidi masidi state sigi law and order se kanana control tawrimno kramai tawrimno DGP na kari hairi security advisor na kari haibana sing masi punamakse akhoi gi opposition ni haidana khoi rajniti gi khudong saban launana ba aduga politicalize tawna ba political benefit pangnana begin nate sida leiba governor se akhoi di rashtrapati gi bharat ki president gi behalf ta leibani na president unaba prime minister unaba home minister unaba natraga so akhoi gi sidaida governor se unarga Manipur gi leiriba situation day by day sum social leiba mayam puna maksing se karino akhoi Manipur sibu India gi sharuk aman natrabra akhoi gi Manipur se Tauriba Sida Ladiba Pibam che Atopa state Amada Tauba Taragadi Sumai Taudra Taugadra Hibis Sumta Tajadi Bakoi Mashi Akoi Bharati President Bharati Prime Minister or the Home Minister Akoi state Sida Ladiba Pibam che Mashi Karam Mamatamda Yaribamakai Tuna Norman Shi Laknanaba Haidana Koi Memorandum Pibani Haidana Koi Sumaina Tamjiki Governor ki side ki di honorable governor ki side ki di ma thuna home ministry da government of India da immediate ma message tawraga akhoi khangan jage aduga akhoina suggestion tawrami ba mayam do state government da su advice tawba ya ba pi ba ya ba mateng no pige na haidna sumnagi Tronglaobi gi sida natana Imphal Ukhru road ta Tronglaobi da Huji koi Meetei ga Kuki ga taunari ngai gi marak sidaida somda ukhulda litanda amuk naga ga Kuki ga amuk toriba Manipur se pik khaba state sidida maikai khuding mak mai saksalak bagi maungda masi government of India sina lairiba center gi government aduga state government sina karino moi yengi ba tauriba phibam si karai dano akhoi se haibam khangdabagi phibam amda laeba Manipur se aduna masi pikraba state sidaida tauriba maung si maikai khuding mak loina ba naga ga Kuki ga sida Tronglaobi ga tauriba mayam puna maksing se akhoi di government of India gi seriousness commitment aduga state government gi su akhoi tawhum thokpa duty se masi control tawnana ba se yu udaba aduna noma gi praja sing si awaba henjalak ba tauriba mayam puna maksing da akhoi honorable governor unaraga masi appropriate action lokhat biu haiduna thamjaru bani
abo aduga ngarang akhoi gi Tinungai da thoki ba thodok se ngasi home minister na press meet tawma tamda miscommunication thokpadagi horaga akhoi gi security forces sing do public ka gyan ta na hodabadagi thoki bani na adumaina haiba male aduga mamang da susigo miscommunication thokibdagi leba irang thokidana mayam am lei gra tare sida sum lengak sina miscommunication ne na leiraga responsibility mai lo do bai type tama tawride
madudi state government da makhata badudi state government da this is their responsibility aduga law and order haibase state government gi संविधान पीबा मोई राइट नी अदुगा मोइना मसी properly handle तौगदबनी miscommunication हाइबजे फागी ओइबा याबा पोट न तिएबा thank you and also we have submitted one memorandum in connection with the prevailing law and order situation in the state of Manipur right from Tronglaobi incident including this militant incident also we have explained everything and situation day by day is worsening in the state of Manipur, particularly law and order. So, since governor is the agent of the government of Manipur, particularly Rashtrapati, he is the competent authority of the state of Manipur. That's why we met him and we have submitted one memorandum and he listened carefully. He said that he will send a trust message to the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India and the Prime Minister also will authorize and also Rashtrapati also what he said.
So Militant is a very small area, but there were large number of security forces in Manipur. But government can't control the firing.
So that is please up to the state government because this is purely law and order related incident.
Okay.
Tronglaobi thaudoki matangda lainga ka GAC unaduna wari sanabada yanaba purakidri hayeng makhatana wari sanagadawri same secretary ki thadorak paumi singda wa ngangla duna GAC ki advisor moirang them gaurona hai akhoi gi maikaidigi takshinba tuan wafam singi matana wari sanaki edubu laikhai taba laiti amadi hayeng nungthil makhatana wari sanabada yanari wafam kya si thabakto onthok piraktraba ashi baksang lore amadi matam kaktuna tidim lambi economic blockade tawgane haba wafam asisu aroibo ena GAC ki maikaidigi lengakta thamlam khiyari